Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I use avocado and essential oils to deep condition my hair for that extra moisture and massive hair growth. Now here's what I'll be making use of. 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, a few drops of rosemary essential oil for growth stimulation, lavender oil for soothing the scalp and more beautiful scents. It's optional. Then I add a little amount of water just to ensure the mixture isn't too thick. Then you go ahead and blend everything until it's creamy and smooth. Of course, no one wants avocado chunks stuck in their hair. When it comes to deep conditioning, I don't joke with natural ingredients that feed the hair from the roots to the tips. And avocado is one of my absolute favorites. It's rich in healthy fats, ranging from vitamin A, D, and E, all of which helps to nourish, soften, and strengthen the hair. Now, before you start this application, make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. As soon as your mixture is ready, I would advise you section your hair into smaller sections, just to ensure that each strand benefits from this goodness. very much important. As you can see, I applied this on my braids. I've had these braids for over a month plus. I'm currently on a 3 month mini braid challenge. After application, try as much as possible to cover up your hair. If possible, try making use of a steaming cap. Let it sit for at least 30 to 35 minutes before you rinse it out. After rinsing it out, you go ahead with your normal moisturization routine. Trust me, after this process, your hair will feel so